So before we get into it, you got to figure out what's your number. What's your number is what number do you need or you want to have coming to you every month. It could be, some people say 5,000, some people say 10,000. People say just throw these numbers out there just to sound cool, sound tight, whatever. But
yeah, man, I'm financial freedom. I want $10,000 coming in a month.
Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, it's it's rules behind these things. You know what I mean? It's
So financial freedom have levels, right? Level 1 we like to call the need. Level 2 is called the happiness, and level 3 is called the sacrifice. So let's get into level 1.
Yeah. So level 1 is basically, like I mentioned earlier, figure out your number. Figure out your number is basically you're gonna cover all your expenses. You're gonna cover your mortgage. You want to cover your child support, your necessities, toiletries, baby mama drama. You could the money that you gotta pay for whoever money that you loan for. You know what I mean? Just figure out whatever number that you need to suffice all your bills, and that right there is your level 1 finance. And then comes in level 2. Level 2 is what Kelvin like to call the happiness.
Yeah, the happiness.
And I like that. That's pretty dope. So can you explain to the people what that is?
Yeah, man. So the happiness is where we all want to get to, right? That's like, oh my God! Wow! I would say you could say that's like true financial freedom, because you get to live the life that you really want, right? That you should be living. So level 2 basically is level 1 plus a little extra, right? So with level 1 is the needs. Basically, you just have to. Now you tack on an extra. So let's say your level 1 was 2,000, 2,500.
Yeah.
Now you increase that number to, let's say, 3,000 or 3,500.
Yeah.
You have an extra $1,000 coming in a month. Now you can take family trips.
Yeah.
You can invest in stocks. You can, afford different things to go out to eat. All kind of stuff.
Yeah. Or you could just get YouTube Premium, so you can watch our videos ad free.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
So, that's the happiness, you know what I mean? So that's what we all need to get to. So now level 2, there's 2 different road paths, or sub paths that you can take. So with level 2, you could either stay there and enjoy your happiness.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, you can do continued growth, but like at a slow pace. But at the same time, like I said, you're enjoying life for what life should be.
Yeah.
Or you can go down the different path, which will take you to level 3. Now, going down that path, you will keep living frugal, right? Keep watching your expenses. You might not go on family vacations. You might not get YouTube, well, you should get YouTube Premium.
Yeah, definitely get YouTube Premium.
Yeah, you get that.
Yeah.
But then you would take that extra $500,000, whatever extra income you're getting now, and reinvest that, to pick up more or to produce more for the next level, which is called sacrifice.
Sacrifice is level 3. So basically, you say level 2 either have really happy, semi-happy.
You could do so. You want.
You know what I mean?
Which direction you want to take? Level 3, obviously, Kelvin just said it, the sacrifice. You're gonna have to cut down on your expenses, just like you're repeating backwards on level 1, but on a higher scale because you have more money. So, hey, you're gonna cut some things out, like Kelvin mentioned, cutting out vacations, cutting out trips. It all depends. I mean, yeah, you can still take them because you're at your level 2, but you ain't gonna take as many,
So level 3, right? Level 3 now is called the sacrifices because it's a big sacrifice for a reason on your part.
Yeah.
Right? And if you have a family, it's going to be a sacrifice on their part. So what does level 3 actually entail? It means that, that level 2 was you're happy, but you wasn't satisfied with just this happiness. You wanted more out of life. Maybe you had a feeling inside of you that, you was meant for more. you know, maybe it was $1 million or $10 million, or that you know you have this talent in you.
Yeah.
That hey, you know you can do it.
Mm-hmm.
You know that hey, I'm making $5,000 a month passively.
Yeah.
But I could get to 10. I could get to $20,000 a month.
Yeah,
I could get to $50,000
Do another one, and another one, and another one.
a month. That's the level 3. And with that kind of financial freedom that's coming in, requires a big sacrifice.
Yeah.
And when you know those sacrifices.
Yeah, it's gonna be sacrifice, you know, cutting down your family trips, you know, cutting down on different expenses that you're gonna buy, you know, cutting down on expensive Christmas presents and things like that of them natures, you know. And I know you might be watching and be like, I'm cool, level 2, happiness, straight. But just because you feel like that now doesn't mean you're gonna feel like that later, because once you do hit your level 2, one thing that I know about this world, money attracts more money.
Okay.
So once you start receiving that money, you're gonna want to receive more money.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, I mean, your level 3 could change as you hit level 2. Your level 3 could change as you hit level 1. You know, so
Yeah, man, that's a good point, because you could get $5,000 coming in, or
Yeah.
just $10,000 coming in.
Yeah.
And you're like, yo, good. We could go to Rome, Italy, do this,
Mhm.
and then all of a sudden you're like, man, what's more? What else is out there?
Yeah,
You know?
what's up? I mean, just like what people who do illegal activities, you know, if they could retire doing that illegal activity, they would. You know, I mean, but being that you're gonna make that much money and you doing something that's legal, and you already get your taxes documented and everything, you're gonna want to get more. Trust me, it's gonna just come with the territory.